Hi there, today I'll be talking about genetically modified organisms. What is GMO? GMO are genetically modified organisms, plants or animals that have been created by recombinant DNA biotechnology, incorporating the new genes or altering the genes. Examples of GMO: BT corn, golden rice, the flavor savour tomato, Atlantic salmon, and many more. BT corn is a transgenic plant that contains a gene from the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis. What does transgenic mean? Transgenic happens when DNA has been transferred from an organism that has one genus to an organism of another genus. What about the flavor saver tomatoes? The tomatoes were the first genetically modified food to reach the market. Genetically modified tomatoes were made to make them last longer, which means GM tomatoes do not rot as quickly as regular tomatoes. Hey, do you mind telling me more about the benefits and risks of GMO? Yeah, sure. Just remember to consider both the risks and benefits of GMO when buying GMO products. Okay, so let's talk about the benefits of GMO. It is cold tolerant, herbicide tolerant, disease tolerant, and drought tolerant. Let's move on to the risks of GMO: environmental hazards, economic concerns, and human health risks. Well, since GMO has been made 10 years ago, farmers have been making better profits for consumers. Farmers are able to produce more crops and also as well as modified to be more pest disease and herbicide resistant. When farmers are able to produce more and when consumers feel confident with buying GMO products, this will affect the country's economics positively. What are the 5 main steps in the process of crop genetic engineering? First of all, we have to extract DNA from the BT bacteria, clone the BT gene, then modify the BT gene, then insert BT gene into corn cells. Then you breed the corn. Yay! How do you think DNA alteration affects an individual? It can be harmful to the individual because if the individual is allergic to the new proteins in GM food, without knowing that the food that they are eating is containing the new GM proteins, that can cause serious health issues. What about DNA alteration to the society? It can be beneficial to the society because then there will be more food and the death rate of people dying because of starvation will theoretically decrease. DNA alteration can be beneficial to the environment because farmers will use less pesticides or insecticides and other chemicals. It will also be more eco-friendly. It can be harmful to the environment because there might be a chance of upsetting the food web because the useful insects or other organisms might be killed due to the new GM plants crops such as herbicide or insecticide resistant. My opinion on GMO: I personally think that there are both positive and negative impacts of GMO. I think that we're just going to have to wait and see how the scientists manage to make the GMO 100% safe for humans to eat without having any allergy health issues. Though, I really think that it's good that now not as many people will die from starvation. Well, I think that that's it for today. Thank you for watching. More info at the link below. Bye! See you next time!
Created using Powtoon.